In problem number 12, we have an economics problem. And this one's going to be really long, so we're going to break this one into a few videos. But what we're given is we have a demand and a cost function. P of x is negative 0.3x plus 20. Make that a little bit more clear. And C of x, the cost, is 5x plus 12. So those are our demand and cost functions. And this models their new product when production is between 0 and 100. So that tells us that these equations are only good as long as x is in between 0 and 100. All right, so our first question is to find the profit. So we need to find capital P, profit. So to find profit, you always need to do revenue, the money that you make, minus cost, the amount of money you had to spend. That will be your profit. Now we don't have revenue, but you can always get revenue by doing P of x times x. So if we take our price function and we multiply by x, we'll get r. So we take this function, we multiply by x, we get negative 0.3x squared plus 20. So let me write that up here because we're going to need that for future parts. Negative 0.3x squared, this should be 20x, plus 20x. So that's our revenue function. And finally, then we can get our profit function by just doing revenue minus cost. So again, I'm going to write capital P up here because we're going to need that for future parts of this problem also. So capital P profit would be this equation minus this equation. So we'd still have the negative 0.3x squared. Revenue would be the 20x. We're subtracting the 5x of cost, so that would be plus 15x. And we're subtracting the 12 from cost, so that would be minus 12. So there's our final profit function, which is the answer to problem A. And problem B is just find the profit at 30 units. So that says take capital P of x, plug in 30 for x. So if we do that, we get negative 0.3 times 30 squared plus 15 times 30, excuse me, minus 12. So if we evaluate that, 30 squared is going to be 900. This is going to be divided by 10 plus 3, so we're going to get minus 270. 15 times 30 is going to be 450. And we get minus 12 there. So this is going to be 180 minus 12, which should give us 168. So that is our profit when we're making 30 units of this.
The Teaching Center, UF's Learning Resource Center.